In this video, I'll tell you about the Yaballe affiliate program and how much you can actually earn if you sign up as an affiliate. Yaballe is a popular dropshipping automation tool that helps eBay sellers automate their listing and do a bunch of other stuff for their e-commerce business. I've included the link to try Yaballe in the description of this video. Later in this video, I'm actually going to show you how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software where I made really short videos on this channel that you're watching. Most of those videos didn't even get 10 views and it still made a pretty decent amount of money. So I'm going to show you that. And if you are serious about becoming an affiliate marketer and making a real income from this, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the absolute best way to make serious money even if you're a complete beginner to affiliate marketing. Now let's take a look at the Yaballe affiliate program. So once you go to their website, you can use the link in the description. You can actually make a 10% commission for any referral, and they have an intuitive dashboard that you can follow. So if you look at their pricing, if someone signs up, for example, for the up to 2,000 active listings model, which is $99 a month, then you'll earn about $10 a month every single month as a commission. So you can imagine that if you have tens or even hundreds of people signing up using your affiliate link and subscribing, you can actually make a substantial amount of money. Now let me show you how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.